welcome to the Oops Doughnuts Donut Factory Internet Intern Talk Show, Internet Intern Tonight.
Meanwhile,
Oops Doughnuts is the production company behind such films as
missed it!
With us tonight, an office regular who really keeps things together. A stapler. Stapler?
Feed me paper!
Great to have you with us here tonight, Stapler.
I have memories!
Right, and just to be clear with our audience, you're a stapler.
I was once a professor of genetic staple engineering, but after a horrific lab experiment, I became a stapler!
And have you stapled anything interesting lately?
There was a contract that was 3 pages long. I stapled that.
Right, and if the contract were, say, for, I don't know, 50 pages long, would you be able to staple that?
No.
Why am I listening to this stupid stapler?
What?
Can you read my mind?
Yes.
Any other fun facts?
I dream like a human.
Fantastic. Thank you for joining us. And thank you for watching.
They bought me at Office Max.